In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed files in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you often send reports, proposals, or manuals and want to include supporting documents without juggling multiple email attachments, embedding files inside a single PDF is a clean professional solution. We'll walk through the process in Acrobat Pro DC so your recipients can access everything from one document. Start by opening your main PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is the file that will hold your attachments. Make sure you are in Pro DC since the Reader version doesn't provide the full editing toolset required for this task. Next, access the Attach File tool. Go to the Tools tab to see the available toolsets. Then choose Edit PDF. In the Edit PDF toolbar, click More, and select Attach File. This brings up the feature that lets you embed other items directly into your PDF. If your interface looks slightly different due to updates, look for the Attach File option within the Edit PDF tools. Now select and place the file you want to include. A dialog box will open. Navigate to the document, spreadsheet, image, or other file you want to attach, and select it. Click Open. Your cursor will change, prompting you to pick a location inside the PDF where the attachment icon should appear. Click on the page at the spot you prefer. Many people choose a consistent place such as the first page near a resources section or at the end of the document. Acrobat will place a small attachment icon there. Viewers can click this icon to open or save the embedded file, and the item will travel with the PDF wherever it goes. Keep in mind that attaching large files will increase the PDF size, so choose optimized versions when possible. Finally, save your PDF so the attachment is stored within it. Click File, then Save. This step is essential. Until you save, the embedded file isn't permanently bundled with the PDF. After saving, your document is ready to share, and the recipient will see the attachment icon exactly where you placed it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.